Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I would like to register for the English course.
Okay, we need to fill a form. I'll ask you some questions.
Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Umut Şahin.
Can you spell your surname, please?
Yes. U-M-U-T.
U-M-U-T.
Yes. S-A-H-I-N.
Okay, so your surname is S-A-H-I-N.
Yes.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I am from Ankara.
Okay, Ankara. How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
18. Are you married?
No, I am single.
Okay. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student at Anadolu University.
Okay. What do you study?
My department is public finance.
Okay. Public finance. What is your email address?
umut.muhammed@gmail.com.
Okay. At gmail.com.
Yes, it's true.
Okay. And what is your telephone number, please?
Yes, 0555
0555
183 1105.
0555 183 1105.
Yes, it's true.
Okay. Would you like to join the classes during the week or at the weekend?
What time do the lessons start?
We have two classes on weekdays. One of them is in the afternoon at 2:30. It is on Mondays and Wednesdays. The other one is on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We start at 10 in the morning, but we have no classes on Fridays.
Let me think. Do you have classes at the weekend?
Yes, we have a weekend class. Our courses begin at 11 on Saturdays and Sundays.
Great.
When would you like to join?
I would like to register for the weekends.
Okay, for the weekend course. So you can take your first lesson in the next week.
Yes. How much is the course for 1 month?
For 1 month, weekday classes, you pay 200 euros, but the weekend classes are a little bit more expensive. It is 250 euros for 1 month.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. See you later next week.
Thank you. Have a nice day.